dang, I wish I was really going on a date. Like, what? Who wants to take me out on a date? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get date night ready. We trying to look fine. We trying to look like a dime for our dates. And today I'm actually partnering with NARS for their foundation and concealer because there's probably nothing better to get as flawless as possible for your date. Today I'm going to show you how to get this makeup look and hair. You want to walk in or you want them to pick you up and they be like, dang, who's that? And you'll be like, I know. So if you guys want to know how to look great for your date, oh, that rhymed. Y'all be looking like a whole snack, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and start off with a fresh face. I went ahead and exfoliated it and then washed my face so it's so smooth right now because we want our application of our makeup to be perfect. You know, we're trying to look good for this date. And I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my face. I'm using Aveeno. I have such dry skin. I always have to moisturize. And now I'm going to go ahead and use this NARS primer. This primer makes that foundation I'm going to use today have an even more flawless application. I've tried the foundation with the primer and without the primer, and I actually like them both like a lot. But with the primer, it's like, oh my god, I look smooth and nice. Okay, and so for foundation, I'm actually going to use the NARS Natural Radiant Foundation. This foundation right here is actually 16 hours of coverage and stays breathable and light. The NARS foundation actually comes in 33 shades. Like, look at all that shades. Look at all them shades. They have shades for everyone. I have like a perfect shade, which is very rare. I can never find an actual foundation that I don't have to mix. My perfect shade is actually, I think it's this one right here. My shade is actually Syracuse, which is a medium dark with brown undertones. I'm going to show you a few different shades. So there's mine. The one right before it would be Aruba. And Aruba is a neutral for medium to medium dark complexions. And then the one right after it would be Tahoe. And Tahoe is a medium dark with caramel undertones. Like, they all have different undertones, but they all look like they could match me because I change different skin colors like all year round. And then the lightest shade that they have is Oslo. This is a fair with pink undertones, and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys. And then the darkest shade they have is Mali, and this is a espresso. They have so many good shades, y'all. So to apply my foundation, I'm just going to go ahead and use a brush. And then the container is actually a glass container with a pump. So you can just go pump it on. And then I'm just going to apply. Look how, oh my gosh, it's just so smooth. It's like my perfect shade and I didn't even have to mix. This foundation is full coverage without the weight, so it's very lightweight and full coverage at the same time. And like I said, I have dry skin and it never feels dry or feels cakey. It just feels like I don't have foundation on. Like, look how smooth my skin just went. So do y'all see this like healthy looking glow? But it's not like too glowy at the same time. It just looks like skin. It looks nice. Now for concealer, I'm actually going to use the NARS Radient Creamy Concealer. This concealer right here is a lightweight, medium to high buildable coverage. And I'm going to use the color Biscuit today. This concealer is very long wear and crease proof. Nothing better than that. And definitely does not dry out the under eye, and that's one of my favorite parts about it. Now I'm going to quickly set underneath my eyes with the Beauty Bakery Flower Setting Powder in yellow. Now I'm going to go ahead and set the rest of my face with my Sephora Micro Smooth Powder in tan. Next, I'm gonna contour a little bit and bronze with this Becca Sunlight Bronzer. Now time to do my eyebrows. I'm gonna wipe off any extra foundation. And I'm actually going to use this Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Gel in the color, doesn't say, but it's the darkest brown. And it comes like this in a wand, but I'm actually just gonna use a regular eyebrow brush and just dip it in there. Now for eyes, I'm actually gonna use this NARS palette. It's so cute, look at it. I'm gonna go ahead and start off with this shade right here for a transition. And I'm gonna dab on this color, the lighter one, and put it on top to smooth out the edges. Now I'm gonna get this color in the corner and put it on my finger, and I'm just gonna dab it on the eyelid. And now I'm gonna get the darkest color right here with a little pencil brush. I'm gonna put it under my lower lash line. Now I'm gonna get a pencil eyeliner. I'm gonna put that in my waterline. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do a winged eyeliner with this Maybelline Curvatude liner. It's a pencil. I really like the way it's shaped. And now after that, I'm gonna pop on my Curly Queen lashes with eyesore. Links always in the description box. And then I'm just gonna curl my lashes so they blend in with the falsies. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and coat my lashes with some mascara. This is the Maybelline Falsies Push Up Angel. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of blush. This is Makeup Geek XO. Give me some cute little flirty cheeks. You know, we're going on a date. I'm trying to be blushing. And then now I'm actually gonna use this Mary Do Manizer in the color, I don't know, but this thing is balm to go underneath your highlight. So I'll go ahead and put like 2 little dots. Or let me put my highlight. And then I just blend it out with my finger. It's so pretty. And then now I'm going to use this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in Molten Gold. Like, you want to be blinding, but you also don't want to blind your date too much because he won't be able to see you. You know what I'm saying? You need him to see you, but you also need him to see that glow. Just tell him to bring his sunglasses and he'll be good. And then for the lips, I'm going to use this Dose of Colors lipstick in Truffle. We want our lips to look nice and luscious, but we also don't want it to be too dramatic. So something natural and cute. And then last but not least, you want your makeup to last all night or all day, whatever you're doing. And I'm going to use this Skindinavia makeup finishing spray. And this is the bridal one. You know why this is the bridal one? Because you want to get married. You want your date to marry you, okay? I'm just kidding. But this one makes your makeup stay. And then if you're not really into the matte lips, you can get a clear lip gloss and just put a little bit right over the top to make your lips look all cute and luscious. Yeah, you see that? Okay, so now that you got your makeup done and you ready for your date, it's time for the hair. So let's pull down the hair. So basically, I'm trying to look cute. I just beat my face. So I want my hair out of my face, and y'all know I got big hair. So therefore, I'm gonna do a sleek pony with the fluff in the back, business in the front, party in the back. So what you're gonna want to do first, we're gonna get a comb. And I'm gonna part my hair right down the middle because I want a middle part. As I'm seeing gray hairs in my head, I'm getting old. So go ahead and part your hair down the middle. Then we're gonna go ahead and spray your hair. I got my water bottle right here. And then I just want to soak the top of my head so I can brush through it. Or just wet it enough. Now I'm going to go ahead and get a leave-in conditioner. And I'm just going to put some, just slab it on your head. Just slap it. And then you're going to want to get your comb. And try to comb out any little lumps. Now I'm going to get some gel, of course. Get a little slab. Just slab a little bit in the front because we're going to do our edges in a few. and then slap the rest on the ponytail. You want it to be so sleek and smooth. Now time for a brush. So go ahead and get a bristle brush, and you're just gonna smooth out your hair. Now time to just pull all of your hair back in your hand and then smooth it out as much as you can for the ponytail. Now after you get it all smoothed out and ready, you can go ahead and get a hair tie. And use all the muscles and strength you have to pull your hair up. Oh, I went to the gym yesterday. I'm kind of sore. Come on, Jasmine, you can do this. One more. You can do it. Oh my gosh, I need a break. Oh, my arms hurt. Okay, you're almost there. Whew. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a little bit more gel. And we're just gonna place it down to get any more flyaways out of the way. We don't want them flying away. We want them laid down flat. Now it's time for the edges. So I think I'm just gonna do a little swoop. So I'm gonna get my little edge brush. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it a little bit wavy, just a little, not too dramatic. And then you a little swoop. There we go. And then you just wanna fluff the back of your head out. And then I wanna put on some hoops. And there we go. We are date night ready. Time to go with our boos and bays and slay all day and night. If you're going on any dates anytime soon, this is the perfect video for you, so you can be cute AF with your dates. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.